Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your login passcode on PS5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Users and Accounts. From Users and Accounts, select Login Settings from the left menu. From Login Settings, select Delete your PS5 Login Passcode. You will have to enter your passcode one last time in order to turn it off. Your PS5 passcode has now been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.